Today, we are going to learn how to create an isolated footing using staad Pro and staad Foundation. Before creating isolated footing, we should design and analyze the building completely. Then we press the Analyze button and perform the Run analysis, and then we wait for it to be done. And then we press the Done button. And then we include the load cases EQX, EQY, dead load and live load. And then we go to Run staad Foundation, and then we wait for a while to open it. And then we go to Load and Factors and generate load combinations. And then we select the Indian code and generate load conditions for service load, and then generate load conditions for ultimate load. Then from job setup, we select create new job and give any name for it, but right now I'm gonna give it isolated only. From the job type, for the list of footing given below, I'll select isolated only. For the design code, I'm gonna select Indian, and for the default unit, I'm gonna select SI. For the available load cases, I'm gonna select these loads and include it here. And then I'm gonna create a job for the isolated footing. From the isolated job footing, I'm gonna select design parameters and then select concrete and rebar. I'm gonna give the minimum spacing to 100 and keep the maximum spacing to 150 mm. And now we press the cover and soil and keep the soil bearing capacity to 150 kN per meter square. And then we press the design and select yes button. And now we wait for a while for it to be analyzed. Now the design for each individual footing has been obtained, as you can see it on the screen here. This is the geometry of the footing. This shows the detailed schedule drawing of an isolated footing, as you can see it here. This shows the reinforcement as 8 mm dia of 125 mm center to center, and these are the dimensions of the footing. For the second footing, we can also see the dimensions given here. Now from the GA drawing, we can see all the individual footings in here, and we can also see the sizes of each individual footings. Now from the calculations sheet, we can see all the calculations of the individual footings.